so I just filmed this quick little easy braid tutorial if you want to watch it. It's nothing super like detailed, and I'm not about being flawless and every little hair being in place. I literally just did this super quick and wanted it for just a few photos, and then I'm going to take my hair out. And if you want, you can always dip your ends in hot water when you're done braiding, but I chose not to for this look because I like it to be just kind of like open and fluffy. So hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and let's get to it. I've got my braiding here. I want something fun instead of just black. Let's do some color today. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair. Going to just decide where I want my braid to lay.
This is what they brought.
A pressure cooker. Okay.
I'm not sure what a pressure cooker is. But she said that they printed instructions in there.
Well, that's nice of them.
Yes, I think I do. Also, they told me to tell you that they love you.
Okay. Thank you.
She's a Mona Lisa.